Hey guys, I myself here. HomePod Mini is here. Apple has launched the brand new HomePod Mini today, and you can pick one up at your local electronics store or at your local Apple store. Now, this is one of Apple's newest product this year. This is an entirely new product, obviously. This is a smaller form factor of the first generation HomePod, slightly different in shape, and this one aims to compete with the entry-level speakers that are out there, right? So this one is $100, $99 at the Apple store, and as I mentioned, this is Apple's entry into that more affordable home speaker market, and we'll see how this product does over time. But let's go ahead and unbox it. I have two here, as you can see. This new HomePod Mini is available in two different colors. We have this white one, and it's also available in space gray, and as I mentioned, you can pick one up today. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Actually, the packaging is sort of interesting. You can see there it says Mini on one side, the HomePod, then Mini again, and then the HomePod. So let's get right in here. And this also is Apple's smart speaker for the home that aims to connect more devices. This is more for the home environment, for the family, and things like that, because the first generation HomePod was more for like your pairing stereo sound for your home theater system. This one is more to just have around the house, as I mentioned, kind of like Alexa, just to have it sitting around and just kind of get some information, what have you, and have everyone in the family participate and be part of the whole Apple ecosystem, I guess you can say. So in here, inside of the box, we have, let's see, we have the HomePod paperwork. So one Apple sticker, right there it is, so one Apple sticker. And then we have the power brick, which is cool. And of course, the cable is attached. We can remove this from the bottom. It has an Apple logo at the bottom, as you can see right there. It feels actually very similar to the first generation in terms of materials. Obviously, it looks pretty much close to the same material in terms of this mesh that you see here. The cable, same cable as the first generation in terms of the texture as well. And the brick here for the wall, this is Apple's 20-watt power brick. So let's go ahead and plug this one in and see how we get greeted by Siri. So here it is. Let's go ahead and plug it to the power brick here and plug it in, see what happens. So here we go, first boot up, there we go, started right up. So let's go ahead and wait for the pairing process to begin. I have my iPhone here next to it so we can pair it up. There it is. All right, so now we go through the setup process. It's going to ask us to pair it to our Wi-Fi network and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and set it up. And here we go, let's go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, set it up. This is going to be for, yes, my home right here. This is for the office. And here we go. We get personal requests. So we have all this information, request information. So it would recognize your voice, and you can set it up so it recognizes your own voice. And if someone else uses the key phrase, it won't actually activate because it would use your own voice. So here it is. You can set up all the account information that you already have on your iPhone directly on HomePod. And we have to go ahead and place this in the center of the camera. There we go. And it's easy as that. It starts pairing your brand new HomePod Mini. I like the box a lot. I did get two, as I mentioned. I'm going to go ahead and set these up. I'm going to set one up maybe in the living room, one in here in the studio. Okay, so it's all done. Click done. And that's it. We have it all set up. Hello, Siri.
Hello.
Yeah, it's quite small actually. So here's the AirPods Pro case. So just kind of take a look at that. You can kind of get some references into the size of it as well. It looks rather elegant, I guess, and you can get it again in the space gray or black, and then you have the white color as well. This was just a quick unboxing Apple's brand new HomePod Mini. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.